So I'm here with my friend Ralph. We're going to do some fishing. We're going to try and catch a fish
because for us to get our dinner,
we don't have a fishing rod,
but we do old style one.
Yeah, so Ralph says we can catch a fish without a fishing rod, so let's see how we can catch a fish. Look guys, look how it's fantastic. Look how beautiful it is tonight.
It's very hot, but we try to catch fish so that we may give to others that no
It is
food.
very hot. And guys, would you eat a fish from here? Would you eat a fish? It's polluted. So let's see what Ralph's gonna do. I'm not sure I would eat a fish out of this river. Don't know what you think. What do you think? Would you eat a fish out of here? Now there's lots of fish that jump. You can see the jumping, blah blah blah. I'm not sure whether I'd eat a fish from here, but let's see what Ralph's gonna do. Cause
This one, Chris, is the we put to the hook.
you put to the hook,
Yes, a little one of this.
right?
Because
okay.
when we use worm, we cannot catch it. Because the carp, we tested and proved it that when this one, look, it's very big,
There's lots of fish jumping.
jumping.
Yeah.
I will show you,
Let's see what.
guys. we have this one, but we don't have a rod, so that
Well, I have a rod, but I couldn't find the damn rod. So
but we
let's
just
see what
do
happens.
a traditional one.
There
Let
you
me
go.
see.
Give a man a fish and he'll feed his
Chris-
family for a day.
If we cannot
Give
catch,
him the means to fish.
yes, if we gonna catch the fish, we the one eat this one.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Give the man a means to fish and see what happens. I don't think he's gonna catch anything, but you never know. I could be wrong. I love him. He's brilliant. He comes every day to see how I am. Chris, you okay? Look, there's a fish just jumped there. Let's see what happens.
We need a water, Chris,
Oh.
because it's stick to my hand.
Is he going to catch a fish? I don't think so. And if he does, it's going to be small. But there's lots of fishes jumping. Let's see what happens. Now, the other day I was sitting for like an hour and I was watching this guy fish, and every fish he pulled out was like an inch long, inch and a half long, something like that.
Ay, poach.
What the?
Look. It can your shoes.
But the power of love. The food is gone.
Because I think the is not tulong. We just put there, not far away. We just wait to move the water lily. When all the fish I got here before Chris, I give to my father-in-law. He loves the fish here, even the fish here is so much bones.
What's the fish you catch?
All the fish here is carp, Indian carp.
Carp?
Carp. It's called carpa. That bullshit. The fuck? The fuck? It's not good. What the fuck, Chris?
Jesus.
Yes. So embarrassing.
You said you were a good fisherman.
Yes, but
What the hell?
but now it's been a years that I can do it. What the fuck, Chris? I'm not too good, Chris. I'm not said that I'm too good. Look, you're very happy now.
Oh, yeah.
What the fuck? It's a fourth time, Chris. If I can't do it again, I will stop it.
How many times you gonna do it? Yay! Give a man a fish and he'll feed his family for a day. Give him the means to fish.
Sakulaon ka na mga bahal.
Oh my god.
How's it been?
We've been here hours and there's nothing. We can see fish jumping, blah blah blah.
They saying us. They just laughing at. When the fish jump, I see them laughing.
Ralph says he says he's good fish. Jesus. If we had to rely on Ralph, we'd die.
We die for nothing. We die in hunger.
God. No. But there's some very, very big fish in here. But to be honest, guys, I'm not sure I'd want to eat the fish out of here. The water is very, very discolored. I'm not sure I'd want to eat fish out of here. But there's some very big fish in, apparently, according to Ralph. So, I don't know. Look at the sunset. Do you like that?
Very beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful. And we're sitting here waiting for a bite. I'm sorry. There's a fish jump. I mean, you know, it's not happening, is it? I'd love to think we're going to get a bite, but I don't think so. Maybe.
But it's okay. You bite the cassava cake also.
Oh dear.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Please look, they're catching also fish there. That man, they have a rod. To there, you see it? No.
You said that you'd use like a net.
Yes, they also use a net for fishing. When they use a boat, they use a net. But now they catch a fish also. That guy sitting there, look, the tree. But it might be they are good, not good in fishing because they live there.
They're good in fishing.
Maybe, but no, we are better than them. We catch here
Really?
big. Yes.
So why we not caught anything?
I don't know. Maybe it's not a good. It's not a good day for us.
Oh, sorry guys.
Maybe I think we go
I'm
home.
so happy.
We go nothing.
I'm
We just
so
wasting 24 pesos for this
Yeah.
one.
I love Ralph. He's such a lovely guy. I'm so happy. What can I say?
Gabos na CCTV.
Guys,
Gabos full color.
look at this.
DVR itong anong DVR mo ko, itong ito.
Basta si Pawikan bagang pinakabit ko, pero hindi naman ako sinakil ng Pawikan. Nabayad lang ako sa dito.
Pirang channel?
Look at the water lilies.
8. Ito tong ano ko, Hik Vision. Yo.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how.